I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Grid Beta in Figma. Grid Beta is a powerful feature that offers designers unparalleled control over their layouts. It helps you achieve pixel-perfect precision and maintain consistency throughout your designs. By standardizing your spacing and alignment, you can significantly enhance your workflow and ensure a cohesive visual experience for your users. This tool is essential for creating professional and organized designs. To begin, navigate to the right sidebar in Figma and locate the Grid Beta settings. Here, you can choose your preferred grid type: a column grid for horizontal alignment, a row grid for vertical rhythm, or a square grid for overall balance. Next, set your grid's count, which is the number of columns or rows, and adjust the gutter and margin values to control spacing. This foundational setup is crucial for any layout. Once your basic grid is set, you can dive into customization. Adjust column width and offset to establish distinct visual hierarchies, guiding the user's eye through your content. Similarly, modify row height and spacing to achieve a harmonious vertical rhythm. Remember, Grid Beta allows you to apply unique grid styles to specific frames or components, offering incredible flexibility for complex layouts. This level of detail ensures your design is truly bespoke. To maximize your efficiency with Grid Beta, always maintain a consistent grid system across all your design files. This practice ensures uniformity and simplifies collaboration. Make good use of grid overlays. They are invaluable for visually checking alignment and spacing, helping you spot any inconsistencies. Finally, do not hesitate to experiment with different grid configurations. Finding the optimal layout often involves trying several approaches to see what works best for your specific project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.